Hi besties, I'm Jen.
And I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We're best friends. We are total opposites. I wanted to ask Shannon, what is a product that you like from a brand that you don't?
So, I don't love Thrive Cosmetics. We've discussed that before. But their cream lipsticks are really nice.
See, I haven't tried them, but they're beautiful.
Yeah. They're beautiful. They're comfortable. They sit nice.
Do they stay for a bit?
That's a great question. I'm not prepared to answer.
We do a lot of mouth things. We talk, we drink, we eat, we drink. I didn't know if it stuck out. I love that foam cleanser from Kylie Cosmetics.
That was good.
We'd gotten it from a BoxyCharm. When BoxyCharm was BoxyCharm, it was 1,500 years ago. And it was really nice.
It was really nice. I liked it a lot.
But nobody else liked it. Nobody on the planet liked it.
And it got weird and discolored after a while.
It did, because it's vitamin C and you have to properly care for it and all this and that.
It was nice though. It was a good cleanser.
But that's not a brand that I like. I don't like
I don't know
Kylie.
That
I
tried
don't
much
like
else from that brand.
her
just
lip
because
products.
I don't have interest in.
I can understand that. I've only tried because it comes with a lip and then a lip liner.
The kids. Yeah.
It comes with a kit. I've tried it. I didn't like it.
I've heard a lot of people saying it's very dry and.
It's either dry or it's too creamy and doesn't stick around.
No, neither of those are good things.
No.
So today we have our scent box for February. It's probably March, where you are.
Yes.
Because scent box likes to
take a minute,
fuck around and find out. They don't find out. They don't
find. Yeah,
they still get our money. Did you try returning your last one?
Okay, so I did try to return it, but you have a very small window.
Oh.
And because last month you took a minute to
mine
get
goes
there.
around the world before it gets
Yes, I was. Once you
window.
get charged, it's outside of the window of returning the month before, which makes sense. I get it.
Oh, and it was fully January when we opened it. It was fully January. We're technically still in February. By the time you're seeing this, it'll probably be March.
Yeah.
So you always get these little coupon cards. Of course, HelloFresh.
You keep trying us. Give us a call.
Somebody said they want a kitchen tour of my new kitchen. And DashPash, 40% off DoorDash grocery delivery. I won't be doing DoorDash grocery delivery.
No, me neither.
And then you get your invoicer thing.
So I want to go first this month because I feel like yours taints my smeller.
Okay.
And I thought that because last month I got a green apple one and everybody's like, what's your problem? My mom thought it smelled good. My friends at work thought it smelled good. What's your problem? And then eventually I was like, well, this really isn't bad, is it? I wonder if I'm so tainted, like my nose hairs have your fumes in them when I'm smelling mine.
My nose hairs have my fumes in them.
It's possible.
Okay. Put that on a t-shirt.
We do t-shirt things. So I chose, first of all, Scentbox is $17 a month.
Yeah. You get
so stinking cute. Ooh, pretty.
So it comes in this little vial.
Do a little twist up.
And it comes with a whole thing in there.
Yeah, you get a very nice size sample. They say it's a month's worth?
It's supposed to be a month's worth, yeah.
Okay. So we get one every month and we don't go through them very quickly.
It's 8 mils.
Yeah.
I've not used a whole one yet. I don't use the same scent every day, so it's worth $17.
I think so. So I chose Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. The reason I chose this is because somebody at work, her name is Heather, wears this scent. And I wanted to smell this away from her to see if it smelled differently away from her.
Because everybody has their own.
Yes.
Affect your, yeah.
So this is Sicilian citron, Granny Smith, freesia, jasmine, earthy musk, and amber.
So the top part of that are things
I gravitate towards.
Yeah, the bottom half is not so much.
Right, but I can't get away from scents without amber or wood or...
They're at the base of
everything. And then it's described as a citrus, sporty, romantic summer scent. Okay?
You're all those things except for sporty.
All of it.
You're not sporty spice.
I'm not... Oh, we got 20s!
Oh!
Look! So fun.
They do say on the bottom what scent you got, so if you have multiple of these, you do not have to shake it.
Just shake things. I know. Okay.
Yeah, they do say on the bottom what flavor, so if you have multiples, you can remember what scent you're wearing.
Yeah. All right, so let's do it.
I definitely get citrus from it. You have to let it settle.
Okay.
Shaky, shaky. You're raising the roof and
I know. She's waving in the parade. She's the parade princess. Yeah. And okay. I don't hate this. It's very citrusy.
I get a little more apple now that it is dried down a little bit.
This does not smell like heather on me.
No.
At all.
No.
I like the smell on heather.
Initially, it's very citrus forward.
Yeah, it is. Which is a scent that I like.
Right. It's settled down. It's a little more, I get a little more of the fruitiness, the apple-y fruitiness.
Okay. So I'm getting citrus and I'm getting, what is it? A musk smell in combination. And I don't dislike this.
It's a pretty scent. It's very kind of almost powdery scent.
Powdery, yes.
But not baby powder. Like it's a light,
soft
is
the. So okay, I know who this is.
Besides Heather,
is not Heather on me. This is not Heather on me. This is Mary Catherine Elizabeth. She is the preacher's wife. They have triplets: Lazarus, Samson, and Ezekiel. And she does a missionary once a year in Guatemala.
In Guatemala?
Yeah. That's who this is. It's a very appropriate, professional,
kind of
proper smell on me. It doesn't smell like this on Heather.
Which is not you.
This is not me, but I love the smell.
She's not Mary Catherine Gallagher.
I am not Mary Catherine Elizabeth at all. I like this. I don't think I'll wear it often. I think this will be like
This is like a funeral scent.
If you die, I will be wearing this, just so you know. Yeah, I like it.
That's very, like, you're going to a church service, you're going to a funeral, you're going somewhere where you're being a little more proper.
Yeah, that's what this is. I do like this, but it's not going to be my signature.
It's not an everyday scent.
No, it's not.
I probably wouldn't choose it.
She wouldn't. She doesn't like anything that I listed off here.
That's not true.
What do you like?
Jasmine and earthy musk and amber.
Everything at the bottom.
Okay, so I got Jimmy Choo's I Want Chew Forever. I've never smelled this, so it's got almond. I'm killing Jen today. Almond, jasmine, rose, and vetiver, which are all fragrances that I enjoy. And it's described as an aromatic, stylish evening winter scent.
And that's a very her.
Okay. You can smell it initially, but
that's really sweet. What's making that sweet?
It does not smell like almonds.
It does not smell like winter.
It's like if it's winter, it's your gingerbread house winter. I wouldn't call it a winter scent. I would say it's more spring or summer.
I don't think that's winter at all. I do think that's a spring. I feel like...
So if I'm going for a spring or summer scent, would be the spring or summer scent I would go for. because it is a little rosy, a little earthy, a little warmer.
I don't
like
hate
warm
that at
spring.
all.
It's warm spring.
I don't hate that at all.
I like it
and
a
it's
lot.
not bothering me at all. Yeah.
It didn't burn her nose.
Yet. It is like a sweet berry picking day.
This is like what a real life strawberry shortcake would smell like.
Oh yeah, you take the kids to Disneyland, you do the strawberry shortcake play, and this is what
when you hug strawberry shortcake or Snow White.
Yeah.
Somebody who's singing with the birds in the forest.
With the birds and the bees.
Sleeping Beauty, Snow White, like...
This is a main character smell.
Yes.
Like,
this is the scent that you're going to wear and you're going to walk by and people are going to be like, what are you wearing?
Yeah. Is it her deodorant? Is it her perfume? Is it her hair? Like, you don't really know where this smell comes from on her body because it's kind of a well-rounded, all over could be smell.
This might be every day for me.
I like that.
Like, I would fully understand somebody having this as their signature scent.
Oh, yeah, I would too. I think it's an all-purpose smell. We can go on a date. Mm-hmm. We can go,
work. We can go to church. We can go
the hockey game. We can go berry picking in the hockey game. Like, it's an all-around rounded smell. And I like that a lot.
I'm very happy with both our choices this
month. I would be okay either way, too. I would wear yours more than I would wear mine, but I'm still going to wear mine.
Well, now you know, because if you're having a hard time choosing for the month, I want you forever. I want you forever.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Great month.
Great month. Have you smelled these fragrances? What do you think of them?
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe and ring the ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.